Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm bringing this cute little gingerbread from treasureboxdesigns.com. It is under the left column when you log on to Treasurebox Designs. It'll say tags, or you can click the Christmas option as well. The title of it is Xmas, not Christmas, but Xmas, tag Little Ginger. I imported it into Design Space with a width of 9.0. It auto-adjusted my height to 8.247. I use Cricut, that's why I don't have the measurements for Silhouette. I don't use Silhouette, and I'm not familiar with how Silhouette works. He is just under 4 inches tall completed, so it's a good size for a tag. He's about 3.5 inches. Or you can even put him on the outside of an envelope or the inside of your Christmas card. He's just the perfect size to make him universal. That gold piece up there, I just added some tacky glue to the back so I don't misplace it. I have not made up my mind if I'm going to use him as a tag or just as an accessory on an envelope for one of my Christmas cards. My brown cardstock is in the color caramel. It is textured by American Crafts. And the nose, I just added some glitter with some glue to give it that little glitter effect to it. My white cardstock is going to be American Crafts textured. His eyes are black smooth cardstock from American Crafts. The pink bow, I am loving this pink. It's new to me. It's basil in the color Fussy. It isn't the weave texture. It actually is the texture that just runs left to right. But I absolutely love the shade of pink it is. Now, the green is in the color Pea Pod. It is textured by American Crafts. The other green that I absolutely am in love with is the color Cricut, and it is by American Crafts, and it's another shade of green. It was a toss-up between those two for this. The gold ornament piece is just gold cardstock. It's on 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. All of my paper comes from them because they deliver, and it is so convenient. I don't really see the inside of Joann's anymore or Hobby Lobby. It is just all online because it comes right to my door. Now, for the ornament, the ornament piece up top, attach it to the top of his head and run some baker's twine, some thick thread or yarn through it, and tape it right to the gift or the outside of the envelope or the inside of a card. It's the perfect accessory to any item for Christmas. Thank you for watching and have a good day.